Welcome back. With another wave of COVID-19 happening in West Virginia, Ruby Memorial Hospital in Morgantown sees some of the state's sickest patients with the virus. Harley Benda caught up with the nurse in charge of the COVID ICU for this week's Healthcare Hero.
The pandemic has been probably the most challenging thing I have ever faced in my career.
Meet Kara Hawkins. She's been a nurse for 16 years, spending all of those years at Ruby Memorial Hospital and in hospital leadership for half of that time. She's currently the medical ICU nurse manager, but when COVID-19 came 18 months ago, her and her team had to face the unknown.
We were very scared. I remember the first day we had a patient in this unit, right? And I stayed over a shift and I said, our first COVID patient has arrived. And there was tears in the break room and I'm scared and I don't want to do this. And I was like, I understand. We're gonna get through this together.
But with a strong leader comes a strong team. Hawkins credits her entire team for the work of taking care of patients as well as doing the little things.
A nurse buying a patient a cup of coffee and the patient saying that's probably the last cup of coffee I'll ever have. And that being the last cup of coffee, and family members remembering that.
Something Hawkins added was just how strong her team is with the circumstances they're being faced with.
I probably work with some of the most resilient people I've ever met. They come to work every day and they pick up time, and I don't know how they do it because they've done it for a year and a half, but they do.
And for their work taking care of some of the sickest patients in the state of West Virginia, Kara Hawkins and her team at Ruby Memorial Hospital are our healthcare heroes. Reporting in Morgantown for 12 News, I'm Harley Benda.